Hey guys, Miss Polacca here with this task for Tuesday. And basically it says to estimate. Well, I know that when you estimate, you make a really good guess about a number. So if I were to estimate how many circles would fill this entire square, I'd make a good guess. Now, I'm not just going to say, I think it's going to be 500. There's a better way to make a good guess about this. So if I imagine that this is actually an array, I could pretty much add circles to complete rows and columns and then turn this into a multiplication problem. Here, let me see if I can bring it a little closer. All right. So if I try and duplicate or copy these circles, I'll just try the best that I can. And I have now basically created an array. I see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rows. And then I can count the columns that go up and down. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So if I wanted to make a good guess, I wouldn't just guess a random number. I would actually use what I know about math to create an array. So I know that an array is like saying rows times columns. So if I have 10 rows, I can multiply that by 13 columns. Well, some of us don't know our 13s facts, but many of us know how to count by tens. So one way that I could do this is I could count by tens 13 times to solve. I can say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130. Another way to do this would be to break this large number 13 apart into two smaller numbers using the distributive property. When we use the distributive property, we take a number and we break it apart. We distribute that number into two smaller parts. So I know that 3 plus this side of 10, 3 plus 10 is 13. So then I could use the distributive property to say, well, I know 10 times 3 is 30. And I know 10 times 10 is 100. And then I combine the two to make 130.